It's a beautiful day to buy a travel trailer, camper, or motor coach. I'm JRV at Camping World in Buford under the great big American flag right off of 85 in Buford. Come see me today to get your new RV. Sure and ask for me, JRV, because now you have a friend in the RV business. This is a brand new 2026 Forest River Campsite Ultra 19KB. 5,158 pounds, 22 feet 4 inches, so it's a nice little unit. Sleeps 3. It's got one slide out, outdoor speakers and TV mount. It's a rear entry into the kitchen with the refrigerator, the control panel, 3-burner stove, plenty of counter space for cooking and prep. TV's already installed. Nice little counter space beside the bed. Some little LED reading lights. A beautiful view out the window there. Look at the stars while you're laying in bed. Jackknife sofa. And then a rear bathroom. Complete with a shower door. Storage above the toilet. Counter space. It's a great unit. Great little unit. Come get this one. We can use some happy campers. Come see me today.